Picture this, a world without the sneezing, coughing, and difficulty breathing brought on by allergies and lung diseases caused by birds. It may sound like a fantasy, but it's within our grasp. Many bird feathers, not just pigeons, can trigger an allergic reaction, leading to ailments from mild allergies to severe lung fibrosis. Prevention is the key. We must cease the feeding and breeding of birds, especially in areas where people live and work. It's not about eliminating our feathered friends, but about living harmoniously with them without compromising our health. Donning protective gear and maintaining cleanliness around bird cages and their surroundings are simple measures that can drastically reduce the exposure to bird antigens. So remember, prevention isn't just better than cure, it's the best defense against lung diseases caused by birds. Let's make that fantasy world a reality. Stay safe, breathe easy,